Caesar sauce true way. Just without oil, without nothing, just healthy. Need more parmesan for the true and taste. Just use 3 like this, 3 spoons. Good mustard. Like this, not more. Anchovies, 3-4 pieces. Worcester sauce. Soya sauce. Little bit salt. Pepper, ground pepper. Balsamic, little bit, not more. Olive oil. If you want more juices, sauces, use just a little bit more extra olive oil.